Briggs, can you roll over again? Show everybody how big boy you are. Huh? Yeah. Yeah. Hi, Briggser. Can you say hi? Hi. Oh, dogs, go away. Hi. Can you roll over? Huh? Briggs, can you roll over? Are you too tired? Marley, quit it. Hi, Briggs. Can you roll over? I'll probably turn the camera off, then you'll roll over. Huh? Oh, excuse you. Briggs, can you roll over like a big boy? Come on. Come on. Come on. Dad, can you roll over?
Yeah, I'm about ready to.
Briggs, can you roll over one more time today? I would look in your arm.
Get him, JB. Get him. Get him.
Silly dogs. Come on, Briggs. Come on, you roll over like a big boy. Yeah. Even if you don't roll over. Oh, whoa, this puppy scared you.
Guys, come on. JB and Marley.
Look, his little legs are off the ground.
He's scared Breezer.
Get down, Marley.
Hey.
Oh.
My legs underneath me.
Mm-hmm.
And
Come
then
on.
I go.
Come on. Come on, Briggsy. Oh. Come on, Briggs. Yeah, Briggs.
universal laptop adapter at Menards, $25.
Come on, Briggs. JP's sitting here waiting for you to roll over.
Come on, Brigger.
You gonna roll over? Thinking about it?
Did you see they got a toilet seat now that goes down by itself?
Mm-hmm.
Why didn't I think of that? Marley boy.
Briggs. Come on, big boy. Come on. You like your tummy time. One big roll over. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Yeah. There he goes. He's kind of on his side. Come on, Brixie.
There he goes.
You think he's gonna do it? That'll be 3 or 4 times in 2 days. 3 times in 2 days. That's a lot of exercising. Come on, Briggs. Everybody's watching. You can do it. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Him? I know he gets all worked up and then he... Briggs, good boy! Sass, good boy! Yes, it's hard work trying to roll over. It's hard work. Oh. Whoa! Come on, Briggser! Come on! Come on! You gotta just do that right leg.
Give it a heave.
Come on, Briggs! Come on! You can do it. I know, that's tough. Woo!
You're there, buddy.
Dad, cheer me on.
There he
Woo!
goes.
Come on, Briggs! Come on! One more little oomph. Oh, just kick it a little more. Woo! Everybody's excited! Woo! Briggs! Honey, how do you feel after your 3rd flip over? What do you think?
I feel
What
tired.
do you think? We're so proud of you. Huh? You're so advanced. You're very strong. Very strong. Briggsers. Hey, honey. What do you have to say after your 3rd flip over? You're only 4 weeks old. Too tired to talk? No interview right now? So proud of you.
Come here, Marley.
So proud of you, Brixie. He's growing up. Okay. Oh.